So let's solve this linear system. Let's go ahead and call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. That gives us our system. Let's isolate y from equation 1. 2x minus y equals 5 minus y equals 5 minus 2x, because I brought the 2x over, and y equals, divide both sides by -1, minus 5 plus 2x. Now that we have that, let's plug that back into equation 2. So 3x plus y equals minus 9. Instead of y, I'm going to write minus 5 plus 2x. 3x minus 5 plus 2x equals minus 9. I can add my like terms. 3x plus 2x is 5x, minus 5 equals minus 9. 5x equals minus 9 plus 5. 5x equals minus 4. X equals minus 4 over 5. Now that I have x, I can solve for y just by plugging it back into equation 2. Or equation 1, my bad. So 2 times minus 4 over 5 minus y equals 5. 2 times minus 4 over 5 is minus 8 over 5. Minus y equals 5. Minus y equals 5 plus 8 over 5, which we can simplify as 5 times 5 is 25, plus 8 is 33 over 5. Y is minus 33 over 5.